Oracle Team USA had a training session on Wednesday after calling a timeout on Tuesday's scheduled race 6 at the America's Cup. British five-time Olympic medalist Ben Ainslie trained with the team, and Sir James Hardy, who skippered 3 Australian America's Cup challenges in the 1970s and 80s, gave his thoughts on the challenge facing Team Oracle USA.
I've been 3 down and lost the cup, but then again I've been 3 down with the Australia 2, just as the backup skipper for John Bertram. And that championship, I really thought from day one that we would win it. And I think it was in my heart that no matter what, we'd finally get up and win, and we did. And so it's sad to see that has passed by, but I'm not against the changes, the development. America's Cup has always been a design and sailing competition, and a lot of people want the boats to be the same, but to me that's for the Olympic Games, when literally everybody's boat is the same. But the America's Cup, I love the development, and this is quite nerve-wracking to me, just watching these boats on the edge all the time.
Whilst Oracle Team USA took to the water, Emirates Team New Zealand used the day to rest ahead of racing on Thursday.